it's good to see you here. I'm Jill, and I have to say I'm pretty excited to be showing you the things we were doing last week. Why don't we start off with these embroidered bowling towels? They're for some Ottawa high school students that qualified for the district championship. This snappy pullover has the NCAT logo embroidered over the heart. The logo you see embroidered on this cap is from the LaSalle County Field Service Unit of the Emergency Management Agency, and the same logo is on this quarter zip pullover. And they also have this hoodie with front and back prints. They're probably one of the best dressed EMAs in the state. Here, this hoodie has a silhouette of a softball player. Ottawa Friendship House has this embroidered cap, and this long sleeve tee has a printed logo. Metro Strategies had this welcoming print on a youth tee. Some Seneca School students were making a trip to Washington, D.C. this spring, and they'll be wearing these shirts. Here's a tote bag that has a print initial and a hearts graphic, and it's part of a wedding present. This year is the 90th anniversary of the starved Rock Yacht Club, and they had these sweatshirts done with front and back anniversary-themed prints. I always have fun being with you, and I hope you enjoyed this week's showcase of our customers' ideas. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.